And the last one, Nature Ripe Farmed Fresh Strawberries. Now right off the bat, there's a few things I have to tell you about these ones. I picked up the biggest one, and let me bite it. The strawberries, unfortunately, are the weakest out of the three fruits that I tried, for a couple reasons. These strawberries are not sweet so much as they are tangy, kind of almost sour-like. Not a fan. And also, I found this. That's not exactly something you want to find in your strawberry selection, is it? So yeah, that's appetizing. So these are the weakest of the fruits that I reviewed in these three videos for you. These are going to probably get a 5, and I'll probably just end up tossing the whole container because it's not appetizing, especially after finding something like that. So, Nature Ripe Farm Fresh. Now, it might just be this particular brand. There are other ones there too. I hope that I haven't found a problem with those. So, I guess stay away from the Nature Ripe ones. Maybe it was this bad batch. 5 out of 10 for these particular batches of strawberries from the new local produce section at the local Dollar General. Till my next review, goodbye.